Andito tayo ngayon sa Leo Beach. This is Leo Beach. Dito kami maglalunch. Ito Pen Harvest Restaurant. Ito naman El Nido Grill. El Nido Grill. We will have our lunch here. Okay. You wanna taste the banana? Pineapple? It's all in here. Ito si ma'am. Napakabait nila. Very friendly. See? Anong recommendation nyo na maganda? Sa drinks? Mango shake?
Yes po, reseller po namin yung mango shake po at saka pineapple shake.
Yun ang mga specialty nyo. Highly recommended, ha? Ganda. Ito ang mga visitors. Meron silang wifi. Leo Beach pala ito. Good food. Mga souvenir. If you like turmeric powder. Meron silang water spinach or kangkong, 150 pesos per pack. At saka oyster mushroom chicharon. Merong tamarind. Wow, ano to? Panggamit na ito. Tauya at saka vinegar. Grilled seafood. Pwede mag-order. Pwede mag-order mga ganitong seafood. Yan ang specialty nila. Fruit shakes, mango, pineapple, lemon, watermelon. Coconut at halo-halo. May lechon flan. Yan, yun, nagre-grill na. At saka sa harap, this is in front is the beach. Ito ang mga jeep noon. The symbol of transportation in the Philippines. Jeepney transport. Restaurant. They have plenty of amenities. Wow. Beautiful beach. Look at this streets. Wow. 2 to 3 miles streets. Golden brown sand. Wow, look at the sand, so fine, so fine, see, so fine. That's the El Nido, but this is still part of El Nido, Leo Beach. They have a port area, they have a pier where you can dock your yacht. It's beautiful. Beautiful beach. there's this umbrella. I think these are free for customers. That's the restaurant over there on the left side. Sida Liu Activity Hut, Kale Artisano, Sitio 1. Wow, the wind is so refreshing. So beautiful view. The mountains. You're gonna sit down here and enjoy the sunset later in the afternoon. White Sand Beach. Yeah, you can sit down here the whole day and order something. Very relaxing. Panoramic view, 360 degrees. Oh, you can also wow, enjoy the ride. Swing in there. A lot of restaurants all around where you can enjoy your food. Okay. There's the El Nido Grill, Liam's Beach Cafe, Manili Beach Bar, Yoga Tayo, Malay Adilao, Mulabi, Punta Playa, parking area. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. Manil Beach Bar. Yeah, this is the Manil Beach Bar. Yeah. Beach Bar if you want to drink. Maybe order something. Here's the Liam's Cafe. Liam's Cafe. This one is the charcoal. Charcoal grill. Okay, now the food is ready. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoy watching my video. Bye bye. This is Doc Danny. God bless.